Start again.
I went on the boat. I went on the boat. I played rock climbing. My girls went. Meg went rock climbing, and Titty and Ellie. Yeah. There's ice skating. Yeah. And there was, what else was there?
There was Bogdan in the restaurant.
Bogdan in the restaurant. What else was there?
There was mini golf.
I said
Ice skating.
I said ice skating.
Oh, what else was there? Swimming pools.
Yeah, swimming pools. There's swimming pools. Yeah.
And there was free ice cream.
What?
Free ice cream.
Ice cream, yeah. And the beach, yeah. The beach, beach.
What did you like best?
And toilet, yeah. And sink, yeah.
Well done. Bow.
What else was on the set?
Oh, I don't know. I think that was it.